Today we explain application of Kohlrausch law. Second application of Kohlrausch law is calculation of degree. हमने we write calculation of degree of dissociation. Degree of dissociation. It is a second application of Kohlrausch law. Here we write the formula of the calculation of the degree of dissociation is alpha is equal to lambda m upon lambda infinitive m. This formula determines the degree of dissociation of an weak electrolyte. Instead of lambda m, any writer here write lambda c m. Both are same upon lambda infinitive m. We write where alpha is equal to degree of dissociation. Here we write lambda m और lambda cm is equal to. Here we write lambda m और lambda cm is equal to molar conductivity. Instead of conductivity we write conductance. Here we write molar conductivity of a weak electrolyte solution at any concentration. Any molar conductivity of a weak electrolyte solution at any concentration. We write lambda infinitive m. This indicates molar conductivity of a weak electrolyte solution at infinite dilution. This formula calculates the degree of dissociation of a weak electrolyte. Now, next application we write point number 3. It is called application of Kohlrausch Here we write calculation of dissociation constant of a weak electrolyte. It is a third application of Kohlrausch law. The formula is K is equal to C into alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. It is a formula which calculate the dissociation constant of a weak electrolyte. In the formula, K is equal to dissociation constant. C is equal to concentration of a weak electrolyte solution. Alpha is equal to degree of dissociation. Now we write numerical and explain numerical number 1 we write numerical first is the molar conductance at infinite dilution of aluminum sulfate is 858 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Calculate the molar ionic conductance of aluminum ion. Given that lambda infinitive SO4 is equal to 160 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. It is a numerical which is based on Kohlrausch law. Question asked the molar conductance at infinite dilution of aluminum sulfate is 558 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Here we write molar conductance at infinite dilution of aluminum sulfate in the symbol lambda infinitive. This infinitive indicate infinite dilution. Here we write M. This indicate molar conductance, and we write in bracket aluminum sulfate. The value of molar conductance at infinite dilution of aluminum sulfate is 858 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. Question asked, calculate the molar ionic conductance of aluminum ion. Here we write the symbol of molar ionic conductance of aluminum ion. Here we write lambda infinitive m aluminum ion. This symbol indicate the molar ionic conductance of aluminum ion. Next value, given that lambda infinitive m sulfate ion is equal to 160 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. It is a value of lambda infinitive m sulfate ion. This indicates the molar ionic conductance of sulfate ion. Here we write lambda infinitive m sulfate ion. The value of molar ionic conductance of aluminum sulfate is 160 ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. Now we write here lambda infinitive m aluminum sulfate. We dissociate aluminum sulfate into ion. In aluminum sulfate, number of aluminum ion 2. Therefore, here we write 2 and we write lambda infinitive m aluminum ion. Here 3 positive charge indicate the valency of aluminum is 3. Plus we see the number of sulfate ion 3. Therefore, here we write 3. Now here we write lambda infinitive m sulfate ion. The valency of sulfate ion is 2. Therefore we write -2 due to aluminum sulfate is negative ion. Therefore we write negative. Now we write the value of these species. The value of aluminum sulfate in the question 858 is equal to 2 into lambda infinitive m aluminum sulfate. Here we write 3 and here we write the value of lambda infinitive m SO4, which is 160. 858 write again 2 into lambda infinitive m aluminum ion. Now we multiply 3 and 160, we get 480. These are same species, therefore 480 move left in equal side. Here we write 858 minus 480 is equal to 2 into lambda infinitive m aluminum ion. We subtract. Here we write 8 and 7, 3 is equal to 2 lambda infinitive m aluminum ion. These two move left in equal side. and we write 378 upon 2 is equal to lambda infinity wave aluminum ion. These are cut out. 189. The answer will be lambda infinitive m aluminum ion is equal to 189. 189 unit will be ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse.